Hey everybody, and welcome to day 5 of the allotment transformation, the last day of our days off. Over the past week you have seen us clear our plot, get it all tidied, get rid of all the old stuff in the beds, and today is more of a DIY day. Let's show you what we're going to be doing today down at the plot. So today we are going to be stripping out all that fencing, all the archways. We're going to be putting up a new archway here with a new pathway down the middle so that I can get on out of my polytunnel and straight onto the plot rather than having to climb over the pumpkin patch. But yeah, we've got a lot of work to do. Tidy all those roses up, fasten them to the arches, and hopefully get the archway in centre position here. So it should be a good old day. So it's a gorgeous day down here at the allotment. So hopefully we get everything done today down at the plot. And here we go. Here's all the fencing taken down from that side. And we've put 2 new beds in. We've put one in there. We've put one in there. We just need to put some compost in them and hopefully get some flowers in them to make them look nice. And yeah, always maximising the space that you have down at the allotment. I've tied my rows up to the new arch that we've put up. Hopefully that one lasts. That one bent had it, so I think I might be getting a new one to go in that gap there, but that's next weekend's job, is to clear all that entrance out and tidy all that up. And also next weekend we'll be clearing this area so that I can get through that archway, because all the loganberries are growing mad, the roses are growing mad, and the bindweed of course is growing mad. So that'll be next weekend's job, doing all down that bit and making all that bit look nice again, because that's what we're trying to do. Improvements, make it easier, and yeah, it looks a lot better, that entrance there. Now I can just walk straight out of my polytunnel onto my plot, and rather than having to climb over the pumpkin patch. But yeah, it's worked out pretty well. I'm quite happy with it all, quite happy with how it's all turned out. And that is the end of the weekend of transformation. So I hope you've enjoyed following along on our transformation of the last 5 days and keeping up with how we're getting on and how well it's all coming along. But yeah, we've done absolutely loads this 5 days. I'm happy with how much we've got done, and yeah, now is the time to start doing all the maintenance work ready for next year's growing. It's going to be a tough job this winter, but I think if we start early we can crack on hard with it all. So if you've enjoyed this, give us a follow, make sure you stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.